Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading out for an epic ride down through Picton and all the way to Burragorang Lookout. It's going to be a chilled cruise ride with some beautiful roads, country scenery, and one of the best lookout views around New South Wales. Let's gear up and hit the road. We are leaving the city behind now and making our way toward Picton. One thing I really enjoy about this ride is how quickly everything changes. You go from traffic and busy streets to open roads, rolling hills, and proper countryside vibes. The roads around Picton are always fun to ride, smooth corners, nice elevation changes, and plenty of scenery everywhere you look. Perfect kind of ride to clear your mind and just enjoy being on the bike. We are getting closer to Burragorang now. This area has some amazing riding roads, especially early in the morning when there's barely any traffic around. You can really settle into the ride, enjoy the engine sound, and take in the landscape. I always say rides like this aren't about going fast. It's more about enjoying the journey, the road, and the freedom that comes with riding. And here we are, Burragorang Lookout. Honestly, this place never disappoints. The view over the lake and surrounding valleys is absolutely unreal. Definitely one of those spots where you stop for a few minutes, take your helmet off, and just enjoy the silence and fresh air. If you're around Sydney and looking for a relaxed weekend ride, this route through Picton to Burragorang is 100% worth doing. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride today. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments what ride you want to see next. Ride safe, enjoy the roads, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.